Okay, so in this video I want to talk about the US dollar Canadian. So I did actually completely exit this position recently. Uh, However, after that, it's been acting quite bullishly and I'm looking to re-enter this trade just because I really get a strong feeling that this is going to continue upwards and it's going to add also a bit of diversification to my portfolio at the moment. The source of this trade was just my daily review of my positions and price alerts. So technically it's looking to break higher. The time frame would be around 3 months on this. Uh, system wise, this will increase my risk past my trade utilization actually. So I'm at 95%. I'd be looking to add um, about 1.46% risk on this, which is going to bring me up certainly past the 95% capacity, which is okay because I'll look to trim other positions if required to bring that risk back down. Next up, system-wise, it is a trend trade, so I think it really fits my criteria. Correlation, it does add long US dollar exposure whilst adding short commodity currency exposure. Technical, it's forming a breakout pattern to the upside. Intermarket wise, it is risk on. The US dollar is quite strong. So if we look at this US dollar index, that's really looked very strong there. Look at the US dollar against the yen. There's certainly some strength there. Against the euro, you could say there's a little bit of strength. It's not too great a signal. I guess against the Swiss franc, that's certainly shown some strength in recent times. Note the increase in the yen, US dollar against the yen and the Swiss franc kind of implies a fair bit of risk on. Let's have a look at it against the pound. It's really been quite strong against the pound as well. Let's have a look at it against the Australian dollar. And that's showing a bit of weakness against the Australian dollar. But mostly it's shown strength, so it seems like intermarket wise the US dollar is quite strong. Just a quick look at risk on or risk off. What's happening with the S&P 500 does seem to indicate risk on. So really what I'm looking at is I think there's going to be a 5% chance that we're going to hit 1.45 all the way up there. And then 15% chance we'll go to just 1.36, which is just back up at kind of previous highs back in May. The 10% chance to go to 1.35, so just below those previous highs. 35% chance that it's just not going to go anywhere. 20% chance that it's going to go to 1.32. And a 15% chance it'll go to 1.3. If the price goes up, I'll be looking to add to this position. If it moves down, I'll cut quickly within 3 days. I do feel a little bit rushed, but I did also feel quite good about this trade. So let's see how this one goes.